Hi, I am Arju. Today I tell you the success story of Amazon and the world richest person of Jeff Bezos' uh, life and his success story. Early life. Jeff Bezos was born Jeffrey Preston Jorgensen in Albuquerque, New Mexico on January 12, 1964, son of Jacqueline and Ted Jorgensen. At the time of his birth, his mother was a 17-year-old high school student and his father was a bike shop owner. After his parents divorced, his mother married Cuban immigrant Michael Mike Bezos in April 1968. Shortly after the wedding, Mike adopted 4-year-old Jorgensen, whose surname was then changed to Bezos. The family moved to Houston, Texas, where Mike worked as an engineer for Exxon after he received a degree from the University of New Mexico. Bezos attended River Oaks Elementary School in Houston from 4th to 6th grade. Bezos often displayed scientific interest and technological proficiency, and he once rigged an electric alarm to keep his younger sibling out of his room. The family moved to Miami Palmetto High School in nearby Pinecrest, Florida. While Bezos was in high school, he worked at McDonald's as a short order line cook. During the breakfast shift, he attended the Student Science Training Program at the University of Florida. He was high school valedictorian of a National Merit Scholar and Silver Knight Award winner in 1982. In his graduation speech, Bezos told the audience he dreamed of the day when mankind would colonize space. A local newspaper quoted his attention to get all people of the earth and see it turned into a huge national park. In 1986, he graduated summa cap laude from Princeton University with a 4.2 GPA and a Bachelor of Science in Engineering in Electrical Engineering and Computer Science. He was also the president of the Princeton chapter of the Student for the Exploration and Development of Space. Business careers. After Bezos graduated, he was offered jobs at Intel, Bell Labs, and Andersen Consulting, among others. He first worked at Fittel Vintage Telecommunication Stand Up, where he was tasked with building a network for international trade. He transitioned into the banking industry when he became a product manager at Bankers Trust. He worked there from 1988 to 1990. Then he joined D.E. Shaw and Co. newly founded hedge fund. Then Bezos became D.E. Shaw fourth senior vice president at the age of. Success story of Amazon. In late 1993, Bezos decided to establish online bookstore. He left his jobs at D.E. Shaw and founded Amazon in his garage on July 5, 1994. After writing its business plan on a cross-country drive from New York City to Seattle, Bezos initially named his new company Cadabra, mm, but later changed the name to Amazon River in South America. He accepted an estimated mm, 3,000 from his parent and invested in Amazon. He warned many early investors that there was a 70% chance that Amazon would fall on or go bankrupt. Although Amazon was originally an online bookstore, Bezos had always planned to expand to other product. 3 years after Bezos founded Amazon, he took it public with an initial public offering in response to critical reports from Fortune and Barron's. Bezos maintained that the growth of the internet would overtake competition from longer book retailers such as Border and Barnes and Noble. In 1998, Bezos diversified into the online sale of music video, and by the end of the year, he had expanded the company product include other consumer goods. Bezos used the $54 million raised during the company 1997 equity offering to finance. In 2000, Bezos borrowed $2 billion from bank as its cash balance dipped to only $350 million. In 2002, Bezos led Amazon to launch web service which compile data from Weather Channel and website traffic. After the company nearly went bankrupt, he closed distribution center and laid off 14% of the Amazon workforce. In 2003, Amazon rebounded from financial instability and turned a profit of $400 million. In 2007, Bezos launched Amazon Kindle. In 2013, Bezos secured a, mm, a 600 million contract with the Central Intelligence Agency on behalf of Amazon Web Service. In May 2016, Bezos sold slightly more than 1 million shares of his holding in the company mm, uh, for $671 million. On August 4, 2016, Bezos sold another million of his share for $756 million. A year later, Bezos took on 130,000 new employees when he ramped up hiring at company distribution center. By January 19, 2018, he was featured in Amazon Super Bowl. On February 1, 2008, Amazon reported its biggest profit, $2 billion, due to the growth of Alibaba in China. Bezos in 2017 monetarily became the world's wealthiest person over Microsoft founder Bill Gates when his net worth estimated $90 billion. In 2018, by Forbes, he becomes the wealthiest person with a net worth of $112 billion net worth. $112 billion. In 2020, his net worth estimated $148.4 billion and world richest person. uh, personal life. He married a Mackenzie Tuttle in 1993, and he divorced his wife in 2019, and also his 4 children. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel Arjun News, and don't forget to share, like or comment. Bye bye.